barbecue.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host with the most, Jazz, and today I have something fun for you. Now, have you seen on TikTok, or you may or may not have, I've seen it, on TikTok they've been doing pancake spaghetti. I thought it was neat, so I'm going to try it today. I picked up a couple of these little squirt bottles and filled them with pancake mix. This is pancake mix inside here. So we're gonna I'm gonna do a couple regular pancakes for the kids, but then I'm gonna try to make pancake spaghetti today. So the griddle's warming up. Let's get going. All right, I'm not very good at doing pancakes, so we're gonna try this today. We're gonna try to do a little horrible J. I'm gonna spell my kids' names. No! Oh, it didn't work anyway. I guess I should have waited a little longer. Well, that was a pancake fail. Oh, no, I broke that one too. Dang. Not quite done, I guess. I guess I need to let them go a little longer than that. Alright, here we go. Round two. Now I know a little bit better now. Let's try. Just a little longer this time. Let them get nice and brown before I put the next layer on. I think we're going to start. We're not going to make these as big as the last ones. Alright, starting to see brown here, so I think we're going to try this really, really carefully. Flip over here. Still can't really see the name. We can see it, I guess. It's not as good as I wanted it to be. I guess we should have really waited for that name to cook. That's got it. You can see it. Let this one go just a little bit longer. Welcome back to Things I've Seen on TikTok. We're going to make some pancake spaghetti. Let's try it. Can't break it. How thick do you think I should make it? That's the next question. There we go. Oh, look at that. Break it loose just a little bit. Boom. Now we have to try to flip it, which is the next question. How do we flip this? This is really thin. I don't know how that one's going to stay together. You don't flip it. That's what you do. You don't. Oh man. Yeah, it just kind of breaks apart more than anything. Shoo-wee. Let's try it. Oh. Gonna burn my fingers. Okay, throw it in the bowl. Throw it in the bowl. Alright. I don't know if you'd call that spaghetti or not. I mean, that's... I don't know. Alright, got our spaghetti here. Got us a little spray butter. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't feel like this is a feasible way to do this. I don't think you're... It's not really worth it. To be real honest with you, just make regular pancake at this point. But anything for the gram, anything for TikTok, anything for the YouTube, we're gonna try it. Pancake spaghetti. I just feel like this is just like a teaser. You'd have to make a lot of these to a lot of these little lines to. It just falls apart. Like every time you try to pick one up, it just falls apart. So, all right, look, it kind of just goes out in a little mush mess here. Tastes like a pancake. But that ain't enough to fill you up. I mean, you'd have to make a lot. Tastes like a pancake. I don't know. TikTok made me do it. Sorry. Alright, y'all, that's it. I'm out. I'm gonna go eat some real pancakes now. I don't know what to tell you guys. I think that was just a waste of time to do that. But, whatever. It's another video, right? Just showing you guys how stupid TikTok and them things can be, and Instagram Reels and all that. I don't know. I got a love-hate relationship with that stuff. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the links down in the description. I did one of those link tree things, so you can click that. It'll take you to my merch store. It'll take you to Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Actually, I don't know. I think it'll take you to Facebook and Instagram. I have to check on that. I'm pretty sure it does. But it takes you to all those fun stuff. And anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and at NewbieQ2020, and TikTok, the one I always forget. TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. Buy some merch. The merch is out. Help a brother out. And we're getting close to that 1,000 subscribers, folks. So that's cool. Did my first live the other night. It went alright. I don't know. We're going to try some more. Hopefully we get some more followers and stuff. And anyway, see you guys next time. Peace.